Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone security settings. And in today's video, I will show you the ultimate guide on how to remove viruses on your Android phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and make sure we navigate to our Google Play Store on our Android phone to scan for viruses from each app that we have on the Android phone. Having opened up your Play Store, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on Play Protect. Now you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Scan. So allow the scan to run completely. This will enable you to know if there is any apps on your Android phone that are being infected with virus. So if there is any app with virus, Google Play Store is going to tell you right here. But as the case it is right here, no harmful apps found. But from your own end, after you have run the scan and it tells you that there is an harmful app on your Android phone, what you need to do is to simply uninstall that particular app that might give you viruses on your Android phone. Lastly, go ahead and click on this setting icon from the top right here. And then make sure you turn on this particular button right here. That is the end for scanning apps for viruses from Play Store. Lastly, exit from Play Store, then go ahead and proceed to your Phone Master in Android phone. So locate your Phone Master. Having opened up your Phone Master, go ahead and click on Security Scan. What you need to do right here is to go ahead and click on Start Scanning. So this may take much time on your phone, depends on the type of data and apps you have on your phone. What you need to do here is to make sure that this scan runs completely. Once it runs completely, it's going to give you a scan result. From there, it will tell you if there is any viruses app or viruses on your phone. So from there, you can take a proper action by remove unnecessary viruses from your Android phone. It's that simple. So basically, this is the ultimate guide on how to remove viruses from your Android phone. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.